Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your cursor on Windows 10. It's really easy and it shouldn't take a lot of time, so let's get right into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is on this little search bar on the bottom of your screen, you are going to enter mouse. Here we are going to select mouse settings. And once we are here, just click on additional mouse options, which is where my cursor is right now. Once you've clicked on it, it should open up a menu just like this. In order to change our pointer, we are just going to select pointers. Here, you can see you have a bunch of options of cursors that you can select. Some of them have special uses like when something is loading, but you can also change your normal cursor. You can either use the default options that the Windows gives you. For example, if I'm going to click on browse, as you can see right here, Windows has a bunch of options which are mostly just different sizes that we can select. You can have a black arrow and just black cursors, but you can also download the cursors from the internet and just add them to your Windows, and that I'm going to show you right now. So let's type precursors. And yeah, just select one of the sites, and as you can see right here, there are a bunch of cursors that you can download. For example, I'm going to select this one. Just click download. Now it's downloaded. Find the folder. Just cut it or copy it. And what we are going to look for is just in our PC, we need to find Windows/cursors. And once you are on here on the Windows file, just click on cursors. And as you can see right here, there are a bunch of cursors that you have, and you can just paste it here. Click continue, and as after I pasted it, now if I want to change it, I should found it while I'm browsing. Let's just scroll around until as you can see right here, this is my new one, and after I change it, as you can see right here, I have an Among Us cursor. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Now you can just add any cursor to your computer, or just use the default ones that Microsoft gives you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.